Now this quick add is just a way to add students with providing as little information as possible. All you need is the first name, last name, the gender, the grade, the class code, and you can put in the emails of the guardians if you have them. So when you press the quick add, it creates a new record at the top, which is blank, and you just type in students' information. So I'm going to put John Doe, gender, male, grade, 4, and the class code. It puts in the last class code that you entered previously. It'll repeat that next one. The same with the grade. So for instance, if I create a new student right now, let's say I don't have the guardian's emails right now, and I just want to create a whole new student, add a whole new student. I press plus at the top, creates a new line, and you'll see grade 4 is already filled in, and 4/5, the class code, is filled in. And you'll notice that John Doe is moved down the list and sorted automatically alphabetically. So then I just type in my next student. Now if I try to leave right now, say I wanted to go home, get out of this, press back the home button or the back button. If I press that, it'll say some fields have not been completed. The student's name, gender, and grade are required fields. The record will be deleted before going to the home screen. You have to have the name. The gender is important just for, there's comments that will automatically change the pronouns to the proper gender if you use that option. So that's the reason the gender is required, and the grade is required as well. So I'm just going to, because I'm not going to complete this student, I'm just going to press delete, and I'll just remove that. So it's remove that blank record, and we're back to the main menu again, the home screen, and I'm going to press students. I'm going to go back into quick add, and I'm just going to pretend I'm going to add another student, Jane Doe, gender, female, grade, 4 there. And the only other thing you might want to add on here is, or you might want to see, is this email translation at the plus button, kind of at the end of the record. If I tap that, it gives me the email fields for the Guardian 1 and Guardian 2, and they're just really big, so I can see the whole thing here, and I can type in a whole full email .com with just a lot of space, and then I can type in the email for Guardian 2 if I have it, or if I want to, as well. Or you can copy it from somewhere and then paste it in here. There's 2 ways to paste. I could copy it and press the paste button on the. Let me copy this one here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to select all, just like I'm doing with all iPads. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go into this, and I could just click in Guardian 2 and press paste, and it'll put it in. Or there's always these buttons at the bottom of the screen down here, where it's the word prediction. Oops. Or the paste, and there's the cut and undo and the bold and some options down below. So I'm just going to press paste down there, and so that works. There's a couple ways to paste things on any screen. So then I just press submit and have the emails for the Guardian 1 and Guardian 2 entered in there. So these would be the parents' emails or the Guardian's emails. I've just got in this K6 Ninja junk email just because I'm doing testing, and I just wanted to go to an email and delete itself. But these would be individual emails for each parent.